In this video I'm going to show you how to change iPhone font style. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings and here select display and brightness. And there scroll down for a little and here you can adjust your iPhone fonts by two ways. First is changing text size. I open text size option here and I can drag this slider left or right to change text size on my device. And if I go back on that screen, I also can make this font bold. For that I toggle on this button and now you see that all the text becomes bold. I can toggle it off to return font back. So that's how you can change iPhone font style, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.